What's up, guys? Welcome to another segment of the Healthy Bartender. Back again, another recipe coming your way. So today what I want to do, some people call this a sparkler. I learned this as a twisted rocket. So you're gonna need some vodka, some blue curaçao, cranberry juice, and some 7-Up, Sprite, whichever you choose. So first off, you're gonna get a glass, stick some ice in it. So right at the bottom, you're gonna grab some vodka, crapshoot an ounce and a half in there. Let it go all the way to the bottom. Next up, my blue curaçao. Not much, about half an ounce. That's definitely more than half an ounce. I got overzealous there. Cranberry juice, next up. So you can layer this in, or you can just pour it on the ice itself, and it will slowly layer itself for you. She's so pretty. Next up, my 7-Up. Make sure you clean your cans and stuff too. You go to the store, you just don't know who's handling this stuff. You can use the ice, it's gonna help you layer it out. This here is what I call a twisted rocket. It's a little bit dark on top there. Yeah, I'll put it right here. So a twisted rocket or a sparkler, very sweet, got a nice taste though. So again, 1.5 ounces of vodka, ½ ounce of blue curaçao, some lemon lime soda, and a few ounces of cranberry juice. Pour it in a little bit slower than I did. You'll get the white layering on top from your pop. Thank you very much. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoy. Drink responsibly.